Look at this, guys. Very suspicious apple, yeah? Look, this one's okay. Okay. Doesn't this looks a bit strange? Look at these two lines. What's wrong here? How is this possible? Look at this. And the line goes like this. Look at this. What the hell is happening with this apple? What are they doing with our food? On this side looks okay. Look at this. Perfect line. Look at this. Perfect line. Huh? So guys, it's time to put our suspicious apple. As you can see, it's have very strange colors. Look at this. I will show you one more time. I was just buying apples from a possum. And I just grabbed one and I thought, oh, and I saw it, I thought, oh, what's happening with that? Look at this. Very strange apple. Anyway, let's place our apple inside. Like this. Yep. I hope it's not gonna go all the way down. Now it's done. Now I need to wait until it's dry a little bit and I can pour second coat. Anyway, let's stop talking and let's pour it. Yeah, baby, I hope it's enough. Yeah, baby, yeah. I love you, Epoxy. Oh, man. Oh, holy smokes, it's not enough. It's just covering. It's just covering. Oh my god. I just need about maybe 20 mil more. Okay, I go back mixing. To break this mold off, yeah, I spent couple hours already and I'm very angry because I cut myself here, I hit myself here, and it's very annoying. Instead of 2 minutes, I spent already a couple hours trying to break it even. So now what I decided to try, and it's actually working, I'm gonna heat up the plastic. Yeah, see, it's coming off. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna heat up the plastic. See, it started. So yeah, let's try. Oh, this is so hot. Oh man, oof. Oof. This is so hot. Oof. Okay. Instead of cutting myself, I'm gonna burn myself a bit. Sugar. Ah, Jesus Christ. Oof. Ow. Ow. This is so hot, guys. This is as hot as very hot. So guys, I lost 4 months video when I made a video of Apple after 4 months. I just tell you quickly, 4 months Apple didn't change any shape. This is already, I think, sixth month, 180 days, and it's just start now. It just start now making bubble around. See, it was like this all 4 months. We just start now to making gases all around, as you can see here. Here looks good, but on this side it doesn't look so good. As you can see, here is all this kind of atmospheric pressure, and it's all the way around. Here you can see here, you know, is pushing off. And also, you know what, actually no, I'm lying to you. The apple is shrinking. Oh my god, I'm just so... So apple is shrinking itself because epoxy is a rock. It can't expand. If you heat it up, yeah, it will expand. But as it's very cold here, it can't expand. So the apple starts shrinking only after 6 months, 120 days of putting it. But still, guys, look at this side. This side looks perfect. It didn't change anything. It didn't rot. For example, sausage, banana will be coming on next news, on next videos. The flour, another flour, and I cannot find a strawberry. Oh, hold on. After half an hour of looking, I found it. So see, I hope no one speaks Russian. So see, the strawberry, sorry, start being rotted. Yeah, can you see it? Disgusting. And the apple looks pretty good. It's already 6 months. No, hold on, 6 months, 180 days. Yeah, me very good mathematics. And as you can see, it didn't really change anything. It didn't happen. Here you can see a little bit change in the color. Here is perfect, the same color, the same shape. On this side, same shape completely. See here, it was a little bit pushed apple, but pretty much it didn't change, guys, anything. Only changed color here. It started getting smaller. It's getting a bit root and just getting smaller, but it's tiny bit. For the 6 months, man, this apple is very strange. So let's see after 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months what's gonna be with it. And watch out for the next videos. So very quick, guys, if you can, please subscribe to our channel River Table on YouTube. Next videos we're gonna see all strawberries, flowers, sausage, anything in epoxy. I have already put iPhone, then I want to put laptop in epoxy. I just need to fix few things and we will put it. So if you have any ideas, what else we can put in epoxy, leave down the comments. Subscribe to our channel.